Uyu ni Miss Tanzania 2023 araberewe asa neza nkuko mubibona nawe arageze ku kibuga c'indege Melchior Ndadaye Bujumbura aho nawe aje mu birori vya finale ya Miss Burundi kugira ngo yirabire ingene abana b'igihugu basa neza ubwiza bw'u Burundi muri rusangi. Turaza kuba tuyaga vyinshi nawe nkuko twamaze kuba tugirirwa ibako ryo kuza kumwakira bimeze neza. Mugumane na Mika TV hanyuma mugende musangiza inshuti n'abagenzi biraza kuba bigenda neza cyane. Mukanya gato turaza kuyaga nawe. Nitwa Fulgence Mika, iyi ni Mika TV, mugende musangiza inshuti n'abagenzi maze ibintu bigire gute bigende neza nkuko bisanzwe. Agaswahili kenshi, icyongereza hafi cyane, urumva yuko tuba duhari kugira ngo byose bibe biri ku murongo. Nuko muhunde ndabaramutse ndabashimire. Nitwa Fulgence Mika, ikaze kuri Mika TV. Maze kutukana munsi muremo imbere y'idarapo ry'Uburundi cyangwa ibendera ry'Uburundi inyuma yanje n'amabendera meza cyane, amabara ni meza, Burundi ni bwiza kuko mubona rengaha. Nagira amahirwe yo kuza kwakira abashitsi baje kwitabira Miss Burundi finale ikirori cyanyuma cya Miss Burundi, kumva yuko ari iteka ridasanzwe. Niyo mpamvu ngiye kuba nabereka bitandukanye ko bagiye kuba bakirwa, munaza kumva bitaza kwa tuyaga nabo. Si umushitsi umwe ni babiri, ni umwe avuye muri Nigeria n'undi avuye muri Tanzania. Uvuye muri Tanzania ni Miss Tanzania 2023 kugeza no munsi aracyari Miss Tanzania. Urundi ni yitwa Much Eyes kuva muri Nigeria, sertiye kiramo yitwa Africa Celebrate, nawe yamaze kuba shikana mu Burundi. Twatwiye tumwakire, unaza ko mwumva ndetse kuza tuyaga mvugane nzapatugirana nabo. Kumane natwe muze kugenda mugira nibihe byiza, mukomeze gusubscribinga musange inshuti n'abagenzi maze bigende neza nuko byama. Ndanabashimira cyane.
Karibu kwenye nchi yetu nzuri.
Asante.
Unajisikiaje kufika Burundi?
Nimefurahi sana, nimepokelewa vizuri. I'm very glad to see everybody is very kind. I can't wait to see what Burundi has to offer. Nimeambiwa mna chakula kizuri, so I'm really looking forward to the food.
Chakula gani unataka kukula?
I want to try everything.
Tuko na mkeke, tuko na ndagaa, tuko na sombe. Sombe unajua?
No.
Au jui sombe?
Kisambo.
Yes, I know.
Endo sombe hizo. So karibu sana Burundi, lakini tulikuwa tunataka kujua ulikuwa unajua kuhusu Miss Burundi?
Nilikuwa naiona online, lakini nikatafutwa na Miss Rosa, kanikaribisha kuja kuungana na nyie wote Miss Burundi mwaka huu. And I'm very glad I took this opportunity. I've enjoyed everything so far. I'd like to thank Miss Burundi organization, lakini pia I'd like to thank World Direct Travel for facilitating my flight.
Unatarajia nini katika finali hii ya Miss Burundi?
I can't wait to see what the beautiful girls have to offer, their talents, their drive, and be the best winner to take the crown.
Burundi kuna vitu vingi vizuri tena sana. Ni kitu gani ambacho wewe unataka kukiona badala ya kutoka hapa kwenye uwanja wa ndege?
I'd like to visit the urban city. I'm more of an urban girl. Like you would like to also visit the touristic sites. Like you would also like to connect with the people.
Okay. Watu wengi walikuwa wamesikia kuwa wewe ni Miss Tanzania. Sisi tunaweza tukua tunajua ni mwaka gani, lakini kuna wenye hawajui. Wewe ni Miss Tanzania mwaka gani?
Okay. Mimi ni Miss Tanzania 2023, lakini pia bado ni reigning queen mpaka sasa hivi.
Okay.
What a message would you give to the girls competing in the competition?
I would tell them it's best to move correctly and not to move fast. They should be patient, and what is for you will always find you. Yes.
What made you to decide to accept the invitation to the Miss Burundi?
It's really great to have an opportunity to connect with other East African countries surrounding us. So having this opportunity to come here as an ambassador of my country, I thought it would be very good for me to also come and represent Tanzania.
Yes. What can we expect from you and the upcoming Miss this year?
Nothing but the best. We're all working to do what we can. We are trying to build a better community with the roles that we have and the opportunities that we have been given. We would really like to take this time to give back to the community and help those in need.
Yes. Okay. What is the advantage of being Miss?
There's so many advantages. I would like to say pageantry is a big platform. It really helps a lot of young girls to achieve their dreams. Everybody has a different purpose. Everybody has something that drives them, and so entering pageantry takes you just a step closer to what you want to achieve, because you're already an influencer, you're already somebody who inspires a lot of people. So getting that platform for people to see you, not just in your country but worldwide, is very great.
Yes.
Everybody achieve it.
How can being Miss can help a young girl from Africa to reach the development?
Okay, as I said, pageantry is such a big platform. So using this platform very well to connect with other people worldwide I think is the main I would say the main goal, to help young girls reach where they want to be, because being in pageantry helps you get a step closer to connections, to meeting so many people. So I would say it's a really great opportunity for any girl who wants to.
Kuna watoto wadogo wa kike ambao wanaona nyinyi mamisi mnatamba mtandaoni na wapi, lakini hawajui wafanyeje ili nao wafikie sehemu ambayo mlipo.
I would say wasubiri muda sahihi, wakishaona muda ni sahihi watafute watu sahihi wa kushirikiana nao, waongee nao na kuwashauri, and then they should just take the first step.
Kwa kumalizia, unaonaje nani maendeleo ya mtoto wa kike East Africa?
I believe yanaendelea vizuri compared to some years back. Naona tumefikia a stage where young girls are getting the recognition that they deserve and the opportunities that they've been seeking for a long time.
Yes. Geukia nyuma kuangalia gisi Burundi yetu ni nzuri. Unaona ni nzuri?
Yes.
Asante sana. Karibu tena.
Thank you.
LEXY More, you are welcome to Burundi.
Thank you very much. Nice to be here.
How do you feel?
Very happy with my friends and hosts here. I'm very happy to be here.
It was a long journey coming here to Burundi. What did you experience during your journey?
Okay, not a long journey. Just about 2 hours. You know, so it was smooth and straightforward.
For some, 2 hours may be long. For others, maybe short, but we would like to know who is LEXY More Eyes. Some Burundians don't know who you are. Where do you come from? What do you do?
Okay, LEXY More Eyes. I am President CEO of Legendary Gold Limited.
Okay.
It's a Nigerian company, Nigerian registered company, but organizes the big Pan-African event called Africa Celebrates. That bring the whole of the continent, you know, Africans on the continent and Africans from around the world together every year to Addis Ababa, the African Union and the United Nations, to meet, to integrate, you know, to do business together, you know,
Okay, thank you. According to the climate of Nigeria or some other countries and Burundi, there is a bit different. How do you feel? Have you ever discovered any change from the climate?
Not so much, because I just arrived.
Okay.
So hopefully, I mean, as we go out, I will start experiencing
Let's say that the two countries are nicknamed the Heart of Africa.
Oh, yes.
What is special you bring to the Burundian who will be in Miss Burundi?
Say it again.
What is the special you bring to the Burundian who will be in Miss Burundi?
Sorry, I didn't
Special.
The special thing you are bringing to the Burundians who will attend the Miss Burundi final.
Oh, okay. That is my industry.
Okay.
I am comfortable with beauty contests, with models contests, and at some point in my career, I mean, my original background is fashion and modeling. You know, so at some point, I was the only African on the board of governors of the World Fashion Organization. And also at some point, I was on the board of Ford Models in New York. Ford Models is the biggest modeling agency in the world. You know, so, and I've seen beauty contests, including Miss World, Miss Universe around, you know. So this is my industry. So I'm very happy to be part of this. And to also maybe give them some tips of my past experience in this field.
Any word of Kirundi?
Yes, like I was saying to His Excellency Ambassador Willy, I was saying this is going to be my adopted country.
Okay.
I'm a Nigerian, but I want to adopt Burundi as my country as well.
Okay.
So, I mean, we are one Africa. I do not see Burundi, I do not see Nigeria, I do not see Ethiopia or Botswana. I see us as one people.
Okay.
You know, and I look forward to, just like what Burundi has done, I look forward to the rest of the continent opening their doors and their borders to other Africans, so that we can really be one the way we were from the beginning.
Say one word in Kirundi, you can say Murakoze.
Murakoze.
Thank you.
Murakoze.
Murakoze.
Yes. Something I would like to know, you are leading African Celebrates. What do you think Burundi should do to join African Celebrates?
Burundi is already part of Africa Celebrates. Courtesy His Excellency. He's a patron, he's our first patron, the first patron of Africa Celebrates. And he has done a lot. You know, so Burundi is already in. Burundi is part of it. You are not to join. You are already part of it.
Okay.
Courtesy him.
And the organizer of Miss Burundi is...
Oh, yes. Go on. Yes, the organizer of Miss Burundi is the country's CEO for Burundi of Africa Celebrates.
Okay. We have food which really tastes good. We have food which really tastes good.
Okay.
Which kind of food do you want to taste after having been comfortable in Burundi?
I wait for you guys. I don't know. You tell me. I'm open. I'm ready to eat. As far as is from here, anything you give me, I eat.
Okay.
So I look forward to that.
Let's give him a mukeke. We can offer a mukeke.
Okay, fantastic.
Is a fish.
Oh, okay, good.
But that fish is special.
Okay, good.
It's liked by all the tourists.
Oh.
So when in Burundi, if you don't eat that mukeke, then you don't know Burundi's delicacies.
So I go for mukeke for a start.
Thank you, that's good. So we welcome you to Burundi, and make sure you visit this country. It's very, very beautiful.
I have told you it's my second home already. So don't worry, I'll be here all the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.